In today's video, I'll show you how to record a deposit in QuickBooks Online, a fundamental step in keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. Whether you're tracking business income or managing personal finances, properly recording deposits helps ensure that your books always match your bank account. Let's go step by step and make the process simple. First, open your web browser and go to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already signed in, click on Sign In, choose QuickBooks Online from the list, and enter your login details, your email or username, and password. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at the QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you can view your accounts, recent activity, and shortcuts to common tasks. To begin recording a deposit, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click on the plus new button. This will open a menu with several accounting options like invoices, expenses, and payments. From this list, select a bank deposit. You'll now be taken to the Launch Bank Deposit window. The first thing QuickBooks will ask is which bank account the deposit is going into. Choose the account where you actually deposited the money. This could be a checking account, savings account, or another account you've linked to QuickBooks. If your bank account isn't set up yet, follow the prompts to add it. QuickBooks will guide you through connecting your account or manually entering your bank details. Next, you'll see a list of payments available to deposit. These might include customer payments you've received, refunds, or other income items. Simply check the boxes beside the payments that belong to this deposit. This step ensures that your recorded transactions in QuickBooks match the real-life bank activity. Now, scroll down to the Add Funds to this deposit section. Here, you can include any additional money that's part of the same deposit but isn't tied to a specific payment, such as cash sales or owner contributions. You'll also select which income account these funds should go to, for example, sales income or service revenue. This helps categorize your deposits correctly for accurate reports later. Once all your details are entered and double-checked, take a moment to verify the deposit date and total amount. These should exactly match your physical or online bank deposit. When you're confident everything looks good, click Save and New. If you have another deposit to record, or Save and Close all if you're done. QuickBooks will instantly record the transaction, updating your books and your bank balance records. You can confirm the entry by navigating to your honking chart of accounts, selecting your bank account, and viewing recent activity. Your new deposit should appear right there, and that's all it takes. You've successfully recorded a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your deposits updated regularly helps maintain accurate reports and makes reconciliation much easier at the end of the month. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more QuickBooks and accounting tips, and leave a comment below if you'd like me to cover another QuickBooks feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide. Until then, keep your books balanced and your finances on track.